Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and welcome to what I consider to be one of the most exciting types of videos that I get to do on YouTube, which is an unboxing of a new to me beauty subscription box. So this is a seasonal skincare subscription box, which is curated by dermatologists, and it's only $54.99 a season, but you get over $100 worth of products, and of course I have a discount code. It's Christy5 to get you $5 off your box. So this was sent to me for free. I do like to give a disclaimer when products are sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. But I am so excited to see what's in this box because it is heavy, it is beautifully packaged. So let's just get right into it and open this up. Oh, yep, beautifully packaged. Dermy Doc Box, hand-selected skincare by Dermy Doctor. And so right on top, we have this beautiful product information pamphlet here. And so what I am going to be showing today is the Fall 2023 box. I can't believe we are already on to fall, but I love fall. So I'm really excited to get into some fall skincare today. Okay, yes, so right on top, we've got the Panoxyl PM Overnight Spot Patches. Wow, this comes with 40 clear hydrocolloid patches. So these are like pimple patches. So if you get a pimple, you can put one of these on to dramatically improve the pimples. So it helps eliminate blemishes, covers and protects to keep blemishes clean, speeds up healing, absorbs spot secretions, helps prevent picking, helps reduce risk of scarring. I am so excited about pimple patches. It sounds so funny to be excited about them, but it is so exciting because it's a relatively new, I would say, evolution in acne products, and it's such a game changer. And Panoxyl, I know, makes incredible acne products. They've got an amazing acne cleanser, so I'm sure that these patches are amazing. Also, especially because these are dermatologist recommended. It says it right on the packaging here, but everything in this box is dermatologist recommended. All right, great first product for me to pull out. Ooh, next, we've got a product from CeraVe, a fantastic skincare brand. And what I have here is the PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. Ultra lightweight, moisturizes throughout the night and helps restore the protective skin barrier. This has 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Fantastic ingredients in here. Also, I should let you know some retail values as I go. So the Panoxyl Overnight Spot Treatment Patches, retail value of $8.75. And the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, retail value of $10. Yeah, this is going to be great for all skin types, but especially if you have sensitive skin. This is also fragrance-free. So this is awesome to incorporate into your skincare routine. Ooh, next, we've got from Dove. This is the Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk. I am so excited to get an exfoliating scrub right now because the one that I have in my shower has like this much left, and I was very surprised to find out that my husband loves scrubs. I think he was surprised to find out that he loves scrubs too, so I'm sure that he's going to really be excited to try this out. I want to see what this smells like. Ooh, it smells awesome. It does smell kind of like a little bit tropical with that macadamia, maybe? Yeah, I think my husband will really like this one as well. It's a nice kind of gender neutral scent, I would say. So let's see, the retail value on the Dove Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk Exfoliating Body Polish is $6.99. All right, next, I've got here from the brand Beauty Stat, Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. Oh yeah, we're definitely getting a lot of great exfoliating products. This is exfoliating, brightening, firming, and reduces wrinkles. Ooh, and this is super easy to use because it's these individual pads. I love that. Very travel friendly. They're going to stay sanitary. They're not going to dry out. I really like this packaging here. Let's see, the retail value on the Beauty Stat Triple Action Peel Pads is $29. So this is one of those more high-end products. Ooh, next, I love the packaging on this here. I'm not familiar with this brand. Joaquina Botanica Papaya and Enzymes Whipped Cleanser. Ooh, with aloe, coconut, and pineapple. That just sounds amazing. And very fun that I'm getting brands that I'm very familiar with, but also brands that I'm not familiar with through this subscription box. Oh yeah, I'm just loving the packaging on this brand. With those ingredients, I'm so curious. It's sealed up, so I'm not gonna open it quite yet, but I feel like this is gonna smell amazing with those ingredients. And something about the word whipped cleanser makes this sound like very luxurious for a cleanser and like the experience that I would get when using it. And so I'm very excited to try this out. A gentle whipped cleanser of superfruits and papaya enzymes that purifies and removes makeup while leaving skin soft and supple. This pH balanced formula melts away dirt, oil, and residue without drying or stripping the skin. Omega-rich cacao, soothing aloe, and hydrating coconut combine to leave skin perfectly toned, balanced, and velvety soft. Very nice. So the Joaquina Botanica Papaya and Enzymes Whipped Cleanser, whoa, is a retail value of $45. We got a very nice high-end cleanser in this box. Oh my gosh, and there's still one more product left in here. Ooh, and it's the Necessaire The Body Serum. I always get very excited to get body products when it comes to skincare because I have like a very developed face skincare routine, but my body skincare is like maybe 2 steps, body wash and a lotion, but adding a serum, I'm very excited about that. I definitely want to incorporate this into my routine. Let's see what this packaging looks like. Very nice. I'm not familiar with this brand. It says it targets dehydration. It has hyaluronic acid, fragrance-free, gel texture. I really like how the packaging lays out all of the information there. And so the retail value on the Necessaire The Body Serum is $45 as well. Wow, there is amazing value in this box. Like I said, it retails for $54.99, but you can get $5 off with my discount code. And this is a $145 value box. So I'll do a quick recap and let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products before. I would love to hear your thoughts on them. So I got the Beauty Stat Exfoliating Peel, the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, the Penoxyl Overnight Spot Patches, the Joaquina Botanica Whipped Cleanser, and the Necessaire Body Serum. So wow, I am very impressed by this box. I can't wait to use these products out. And so thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.